how to create labels in Microsoft Word. So if you want to create labels in Microsoft Word, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Microsoft Word and then go with a blank document. Now once you're here, you will have mailings option. You need to click on it. After that, click on labels, which is on the left side. And now you need to go with options. And under options, you need to go with new label. And here you need to enter the label name. Like for example, I'll go with demo. And then you need to go with the page size. Like for example, here I'll just simply go with letter, which is 8.5 by 11. After that, enter all of the information, like you need to go with label height, label width, and then the number across. I'm selecting 3, and then the number down, and the top margin, the side margin, the vertical pitch, the horizontal pitch. And once done, you need to go with OK. Now select your new label and click OK again. Now go with a new document, and here you will have your label. And in this way, you'll be able to create labels in Microsoft Word. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.